us smooches. We're taking our Uncle Thumb for a walk. Yeah, I said it. Walk. Right, dude? Wait, is it facing the dog? Yeah. It feels like it's so...
Oh, I hope that never happens again. Oh, I like the license plate. Don't show it. I just like it.
Oh, me too. Maybe soon we'll be playing at the park. I hope so. That's for sure. I wish we could just stop there, but it's too wet.
Dude, look, put the doorknob off.
Who does that?
No, I think they
Here. It's the park. I just really want to go there. Oh wait, we need to show the third mooch. Mooch monkey.
He's like the first mooch ever.
Yeah, the first mooch ever.
God, you can see it.
This is a vlog with the third mooch in it. Finally. I can't see anything. Ah! I don't know how long we've been recording for. Oh, I can figure out. Okay,
Big tree, dude.
2 minutes so far. I'm sure I'll be able to do this whole walk, I hope. I'm gonna have to go in shade. Okay, and make sure you could see how long we've been recording. Because we don't want to mess that up. Yeah. But maybe we want to be though. Like, this is our vlogging channel, and we have a lot of brothers, right, Mooch?
Like drama.
Yep, like the Ruby, but his name is Poem. But the nice day. There's Mooch. Huh?
You can hold both, right?
Here,
Take this.
Here.
I need time my shoes.
I'm gonna. Just need to go. Oh no, a rabbit!
You shouldn't have the tablet.
A mooch!
But you can't.
I know!
Give me this.
He does not see a bunny. He sees a dog.
Okay, get him away. Woody. Don't get tangled up in this.
Ah!
Shorten the leash.
Oh no! Probably thinks it's Rocky or Rose. Can you guys see? Yeah, you guys probably can. We're just walking. There's a pond in the yonder.
No holding the tablet when you're walking the dog.
We're not. I need time to show, so that's why he goes. I can't really. Okay. We're just walking. Ah! Okay. Oh, here we go. I can see a little bit. The sun's like in the way for us. We can't see, but you guys probably can. What you guys up to today? That's all.
Oh, you're
We're just taking the dog walk today. He's going to the bathroom. Little chime. Show the pond, dude. I already did. I'll show him from this angle, though.
It's a better angle.
Dude, how much? I can't see. Oh, 4. And we can have 24. that the pond? Where is that? Wait, is that the pond? I don't know if you guys can see it. Just comment down below. Did you see the pond or not? Maybe this will be a better view from here. Whoa! Ow, I stubbed my toe. No. Is that... Can you guys see it? It's melting. Dude, let him sniff.
Oh, sorry.
Gonna pause the video. Okay, everyone. Just walking. Geese. Tree. I'm gonna climb this tree. Turn this way. Hi.
Go around.
No.
Why not? That's good for us.
Are you recording?
How do you know that?
Here, look.
This video is recording. Oh, I didn't even realize that. And now he has it. See?
Oh, shoot.
We're at 7 minutes.
Oh, my. Hold the leash short.
Hold the leash. Sure.
No.
Puppies.
Across the street. No. Oh. Across the street.
Alyssa, my name is Alyssa.
Don't worry, dude. I wasn't recording. Oh wait, yes, I was. Ah! I was just showing the dogs.
For information, everyone, my name is Mooch.
Mooch.
I thought I heard something.
Of course we're Mooch, dude.
Oh, dude, I'm sweating in the sun. It was like hitting right down on me.
Exactly, that's what I
Because
feel.
I'm black, dude.
See? Sort of.
Oh, I should.
Black door.
Oh, I'm sweating.
Black off of white. White on
Or like white or something.
Yeah. Well, I have white under here.
Yeah, I have like total black. Okay, so.
Oh. I feel bad. This is just a random vlog, I guess. Short sleeve. Ah. It is hot.